Hi, welcome back to the weekly dance tutorial. If you notice, I'm doing a lot of very symmetrical things because today we're going to talk about symmetry. Not just any kind of symmetry, but the mirror effect type of symmetry. So symmetrical movements. All right, how do you do them? To keep it simple, we're going to use our arms. Okay, all you have to do is copy exactly what the other arm is doing. And this could be limiting to your movement, but when you set certain limitations on your movements, it could really push you to be more creative with those limitations. So the whole point of that is for you to explore. Okay, so imagine this imaginary line right down the middle. Okay, nothing could go through it unless both things go through it, right? Here's a couple of examples. Two hands exactly in the same spots but opposite. Okay, so whatever I do, let's say I'm tutting, let's try just tutting. Okay, so I'm here, 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 boom, boom, boom. How many moves can you do that are exactly the same, right? See, oh, I almost messed up. I almost went here first, but remember, the rule is to see how many things you could create by just doing symmetrical movements. This is all the same. Okay, boom, boom. And sometimes you could even cross over as long as you're crossing at the same time. Okay, there's so many things you could do with just tutting. It's pretty hard because then you start repeating things, right? But I've already kind of figured out a couple of new movements instead of just the same one, just from doing this exercise alone. And I'm sure there's a lot more movements to discover. You just have to keep moving and keep trying out different things. Okay. See, this one's a new one. Yeah, you'll eventually start to get stuck, but then when you get stuck, you just kind of have to figure out, well, where haven't I gone yet? For example, if you're doing this a lot, you can point this in so many different directions. You could go down here, 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 up here, here, this way. Okay, you could open it up, flip it, then point the same thing. Boom, boom, boom. Already, there's already new movements right there. You could roll it down like this, roll it up, boom. Okay, you could draw circles. Okay, so many different things. Boom, bounce. Different concepts right there. Boom, 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 boom. It doesn't always have to be wavy or tutting. You could try different textures too. Like, for example, speed control, boom, speed control. Okay, then you have circular movements. Okay, this is not symmetrical. Well, it kind of is, but it's more so of like an alternating move, like walking or swimming, right? We don't want that. We want same. Okay, same motion. Okay, symmetrical movement. Okay, let's try a couple of circular ones. Here we go. Right here, let's actually create a ball because this is still the opposite of this. Okay, so ball right here, and then we're gonna go to the top of the ball, side, bottom. Okay, you start to see this little circle, right? Boom, touch, touch, boom, and try to hit it right where the middle is. Okay, boom, 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 boom. I'm just exploring different sides of this imaginary ball. Boom, boom. See, I'm doing the different side of it by going like this and turning my hands. See, you could turn your hands like this. Boom, turn your hand. Boom, boom. And this is just one shape, and we're already finding different ways to move. Like, see, I'm scooping it now. Boom, and then you go through the ball, flip it around, go through the ball this way, go around this way. So many movements just with one circle, right? Now imagine two circles. What can you do with two circles going this way, and then I'm adding 4 circles just for fun. So you could go this circle over here. I don't know if you see the same circles I do, but they're pretty much here and here. Okay, so Lots of different symmetrical movements. Okay, and then obviously you can mix it up with the tuts. Okay, I broke out of it again. That's the thing about limitations, is it's really easy to break the rules because they're so simple. So we'll cover that in another tutorial, but setting limitations is something I want to cover. But this is one of those things, okay? So only opposite mirrored movements. How many things can you come up with? And if you notice, we're only using our hands, okay? We haven't even used our elbows, our shoulders, okay? Our arms completely, and like just even your legs too. There's a lot of things you could do with that, but you get the idea. Take that concept, play with it, and explore, okay? Have fun with it. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.